Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to you all. It's my immense pleasure to inaugurate the Maitri Setu today together with Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The event is taking place at a time when we are celebrating the birth centenary of Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the golden jubilee of Bangladesh's independence, and the 50th year of Bangladesh-India diplomatic relations. The opening of Feni Bridge is a testimony to the Bangladesh government's continued commitment to support our neighbor India in strengthening connectivity in the region, particularly for the northeast of India. In 2010, the then Chief Minister of Tripura placed a proposal before me to build a bridge over the river Feni. He pointed out that the bridge is very important to the business community of India's northeast region for using the Chattogram seaport. We considered the request positively. Since then, the government of Bangladesh has extended all necessary support to the Indian side for construction of the bridge. 10 years later, today, the bridge is a reality. This bridge will be a trading lifeline for the northeast of India. As you all know, Bangladesh has already allowed the use of Chattogram and Mongla ports for the movement of goods to and from India. Now, with the opening of the Feni Bridge, movement of goods between West Bengal and the landlocked Indian northeastern states can take place through Bangladesh. Earlier, the nearest seaport for Agartala was Kolkata, which is over 1,600 kilometers away, whereas today Agartala's nearest seaport is Chattogram and the distance through Bangladesh is less than 100 kilometers. Undoubtedly, this is a historic moment. We are creating a new era in South Asia through providing connectivity to India. We are in a region which has remained conservative in opening up and where inter-regional trade is far below potential. I believe political boundaries should not become physical barriers to trade. We expect the framework that we are inaugurating today will also help Bangladesh to trade more easily, not only with India, but also with Nepal and Bhutan. Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh's growth trajectory, along with its geographic location, makes it an extremely attractive neighbor in South Asia. As one of the leaders in the global textile industry, we have carved a distinct path for ourselves, and the country has become a favored destination for foreign investment. Bangladesh is ready to maximize its locational advantage as connectivity hub between South and Southeast Asia. We believe the cross-border transport system that Bangladesh is developing with India is a step in this regard and will enable us to play an important role in regional trade and commerce. The Feni Maitri Setu is expected to significantly improve the socio-economic condition of the people of Tripura and the surrounding northeastern states of India. We hope it will also contribute to improve the livelihoods of those residing on the Bangladesh side of the bridge. 50 years ago, in 1971, India opened up its border for Bangladesh's people to support their freedom struggle. Today, we are building a prosperous region together. I wish successful operation and utilization of the Feni Moitri Setu. ত্রিপুরাবাসীর জন্য আমার অনেক অনেক আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আমি মনে করি এই সেতু আমাদের দুই দেশের মাঝে শুধু সেতু বন্ধই রচনা করবে না, বরং ব্যবসা বাণিজ্য এবং অর্থনৈতিক উন্নয়নের ক্ষেত্রে বিরাট অবদান রাখবে। শুধু চট্টগ্রাম পোর্ট নয়, চট্টগ্রাম আন্তর্জাতিক বিমানবন্দরও ত্রিপুরাবাসী ব্যবহার করতে পারবে। তাই আমি ত্রিপুরার মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এবং জনগণকে আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। আমরা ভুলি নাই 1971 সালে কিভাবে আমার জনগণকে আপনারা আশ্রয় দিয়েছিলেন, সমর্থন দিয়েছিলেন, সহযোগিতা করেছিলেন এবং আমরা আমাদের মহান মুক্তিযুদ্ধে বিজয় অর্জন করেছিলাম। কাজে আজকে দিনে আমি সবাইকে আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। মুখ্যমন্ত্রী, আপনাকেও আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। সবাই ভালো থাকেন, সুস্থ থাকেন। জয় বাংলা, জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু। বাংলাদেশ চিরজীবী হোক। ভারত বাংলাদেশ বন্ধুত্ব দীর্ঘস্থায়ী হোক।
ধন্যবাদ।